Can you guess the country from the river name? Let's start. The Ganges river mainly flow through which country? India. The Nile river mainly flows through which country? Egypt. The Yangtze river mainly flows through which country? China. The Mekong river mainly flows through which country? Laos. The Congo river mainly flows through which country? Democratic Republic of Congo. The Thames river mainly flows through which country? United Kingdom. The Indus river mainly flows through which country? Pakistan. The Limpopo river mainly flows through which country? Mozambique. The Colorado river mainly flows through which country? United States. The Tigris river mainly flows through which country? Iraq. The St. Lawrence river mainly flows through which country? Canada. The Volta river mainly flows through which country? Ghana. The Magdalena river mainly flows through which country? Colombia. The Tana river mainly flows through which country? Kenya. The Tapajos river mainly flows through which country? Brazil. The Salween river mainly flows through which country? Myanmar. The Vistula river mainly flows through which country? Poland. The Garonne river mainly flows through which country? France. The Parana river mainly flows through which country? Brazil. The Irrawaddy river mainly flows through which country? Myanmar. The Sutlej river mainly flows through which country? Pakistan. The Yellow river mainly flows through which country? China. The Mackenzie river mainly flows through which country? Canada. The Irtysh river mainly flows through which country? Russia. The Yukon river mainly flows through which country? Canada and United States. The Uruguay river mainly flows through which country? Uruguay and Argentina. The Kaveri river mainly flows through which country? India. The Daugava River mainly flows through which country? Latvia. The Rio Negro River mainly flows through which country? Brazil. The Gila River mainly flows through which country? United States. The Po River mainly flows through which country? Italy. The Savannah River mainly flows through which country? United States. The Ural River mainly flows through which country? Russia and Kazakhstan.